Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to create a column chart in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel or like the video and check out the links in the description, and let's get going to Google Sheets. This works whether you're using a Mac or a Windows or a Chromebook, although Google does recommend using the Google Chrome browser, which is what I'm doing right now. This is Google Sheets. I've opened up a sheet and you can see the chart's already there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this chart, then recreate it using Google's super easy method to do it. So first I'm going to delete it. Select these three dots, delete chart. Okay, and you can see the data that I have. This is you can see there's 4 cities, 7 days, and there's temperatures for each one of the days. I want to create a column chart out of that. So basically the first thing you need to do is select the data. So I'm just dragging my mouse across to the lower right corner. Then look on the toolbar above the data, and you'll find an icon that looks like a little chart, and it says Insert Chart if you hover over it. If you don't see this icon, look on the right side of the toolbar, and there might be more options to show. It's also possible that you've hidden the icon or the menu so you can't see it, but basically what you want is Insert Chart. And then I'm going to click that, and what Google Sheets automatically does is it creates a chart that fits the data the best. And in this case, Google thinks that this line chart is the best fit. But I don't want a line chart. I want a column chart. Go to the chart editor on the right side of the screen, and you'll see chart type. It says whatever's showing over here. So this is a line chart. I'm going to click that downward pointing arrow, and you can see suggested. So here's the line chart, but I want the column chart. If I hover over it, you can see that it's a column chart. So let's select that, and voila, it's instantly created. That didn't take much time at all because I already had the data available, but it's a super easy way to create a great looking chart. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, I've written a book about it. Go to in30minutes.com. Also, if this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.